Good evening, everybody, YouTube subscribers and followers. We have a little treat today. We're going to be doing up at DX98 DHP. Basically, I want to show you something that Galaxy did. Basically, we're going to be installing the, this is for Ron, YouTube subscribers. Thank you for watching the video. I'm Jason. I'm the owner of Jokerman Electronics. I'm a technician for over 20 years, and we take pride in our customer service. And there's nobody out there that does that. I really strive that 100%. I care about all you guys out there, whether you put bad remarks or good remarks. We're out there to strive to. I would be in this business if I didn't care about nobody. Okay. I just want to tell you about my business. I've been trying to make a lot of improvements in my business and taking care of my customers. For over 5 years, I've been on the website, and then I've been doing this for over 20 years on the side. But one of the things that I got in this business about was to take over a lot of these CB shops out there that don't care, rip you off, and do all kinds of bad things out there. You know, if you watch my videos, I've always tell you I'm a good technician, and I am. I'm a very good technician. When you get my radios, you're gonna get quality work. I mean, you know, if something happens, give me a call. We'll got to help you out with anything. So this is a modification update. This is gonna be a part 1 for Ron. Okay, it's gonna be a custom built radio for my customer, for Ron. And basically we're going to be installing this amp board with these non-dot transistors. Okay, we're going to go with the non-dots, a little bit better transistor. Okay, just like the beginning, and they do real well in these kind of radios. So basically this is a big series radio. But one of the things I want to show you guys that it's been updated on. I'm going to move this board over here. Now, Galaxy, they did some modification changes, okay, recently. And how I know that? Because this has been, if you look over here, you see right here, they changed this around, okay? And they did some more stuff inside the board and everything like that, okay? And if you look now, the thing does a lot more power than it did before. It actually does 250 watts easy, not like way before. But they just did this update, like it's been about a week or two now, and they had a whole bunch, about 900 of these went out already. So this is a new radio. New improved radio from Galaxy. I already had one of these already. So they do really wonderful job, and they do good reports on it. So, but you gotta set the date key right on, probably like around 7 watts on a date key. Okay, if you go a little lower, it'll start squealing. All right. Anyways, this is a part 1 for you, Ron. Like I said, we're going to be installing these over here, these Toshibas in this board, right, in this 98 VHP. Alright, YouTube subscribers, thank you for watching the video. And this is, like I said, this is part 1. When I get done with the part 2, the board will be installed, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright, bye-bye for now.